conditions.
Normal.
Anti-ice pitot heat.
That's required.
Radar.
Standby or off?
I'll leave the transponder on. Anti-skid
Sure.
is off. Exterior lights.
RS required.
After landings are complete. No
Sure.
trouble. Toronto 330 is backtracking runway 274.
We'll just put in there